Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology 2020. The institution we're featuring today was founded in the year 1956 with a vision to build a sustainable society through education which is centered around extensive learning, research, and development. This year, it has achieved the 29th rank on the NIRF table. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're looking at the Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology's student stats, courses, its performance in graduation, placements, median salary, top recruiters, the infrastructure, and of course, the fee structure. We're also comparing the performance of this institution with BITS Pilani and NIT Durgapur to see if it is performing on par with its competitors. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college, college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, student stats, graduation outcomes, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. Teaching, learning, and resources. Here, we'll take a look at Thapar's approved intake, student strength, faculty information, and financial utilizations. Thapar has an approved intake of 1,865 UG seats, 390 PG seats, and 90 PG integrated seats. BITS Pilani has a better intake from the institutions listed. With this, Thapar has 6,903 engineering students studying across all years. The number of professors in this institution is 492, and 81.3% of them are PhD holders. This gives a faculty-to-student ratio of 1:14. The faculty-to-student ratio is better than its peer group. 12 professors from this institution have received highly reputed national and international awards from central government agencies in the previous year, and 3 students have won international awards. When it comes to expenditure, Thapar has spent over 8 crores as annual capital expenditure, out of which 37.8% was spent on organizing engineering workshops. Other similar institutions have also spent a majority of their expenditure on the purchase of new lab equipment. Over 224 crores was spent as operational expenses, and a huge portion of this went towards the salaries of the staff. Other institutions also have spent most on the salaries of the staff. Considering all of this, Thapar has scored 65.95% in teaching, learning, and resources, which contributes to 30% of the overall NIRF score. Research and professional practice. In this parameter, we'll see about Thapar's PhD students, patent details, and the funds received through various projects. The number of patents published by Thapar is 2, and 1 patent was granted. A total of 775 students were enrolled in the PhD program, and 77 students graduated recently. A total of 74 sponsored projects brought in over 9 crores as sponsored research funding. With 67 consultancy projects, Thapar has received over 1.3 crores as consultancy project funds. With this, Thapar has scored 47.65% in research and professional practices, which contributes to another 30% of its NIRF score. Graduation outcomes. Here let's analyze Thapar's graduation and placement percentages along with salary packages and top recruiters. UG. Thapar offers 11 UG programs. When it comes to graduation, among the 1,394 final year students, 1,270 graduated in the minimum stipulated time. This gives the institution a graduation percentage of 91.1%. From these graduates, 180 students have chosen to go on and study further. Comparatively, BITS Pilani has better stats in this segment. Among the 1,090 students eligible for placements, 1,040 got placed, leaving a placement percentage of 95.41%. These placed students were given a salary package of Rs 6.3 lakhs per annum. Though the placements are great, the salary package is the lowest in this group. While comparing the graduation and placement performance with the previous years, we can see that the graduation percentage has dropped. However, the placements have increased. Thapar also offers 21 PG programs. For a detailed analysis of its PG performance, please visit the link in the description below. Recruiters. Some of the leading companies that hire students from Thapar include Amazon, Flipkart, Microsoft, Mahindra Rise, Mercedes-Benz, Intel, Deloitte, and many others. With this, Thapar has scored 65.69% in graduation outcomes, which contributes to 20% of the NIRF score. Outreach and inclusivity. Here we will look at how diverse Thapar is. Among the 6,903 students studying across all years, 3,111 students are from within the state, 3,724 students are from other parts of the country, and 68 students are from abroad. This shows the diversity of students in this institution. The overall engineering student count consists of 79.66% of boys and 20.34% of girls. Considering all of this, Thapar has scored 54.82% for outreach and inclusivity, which contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Perception. In this parameter, let's take a look at the perception of this institution from the point of view of the public and its peers. Thapar is a renowned institution in Punjab and has been on the list of top technical institutions constantly. With this, it has scored 17.42% in perception from the public. Perception contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Comprising all of the scores in various parameters, Thapar has attained an overall score of 54.45%. Admissions. Thapar admits students based on JEE Main, an entrance exam conducted by the institution. PG students are admitted based on the GATE score. Location. Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology is located in Patiala, Punjab. The nearest railway station is the Patiala railway station, which is 4.9 kilometers from the institution, while the nearest airport is the Chandigarh International Airport, which is 66.6 kilometers from the institution. Campus life. Thapar spreads over 250 acres. There are various facilities available on campus for the welfare of the students. These include well-equipped classrooms, laboratories, hostel facilities for boys and girls separately, and other features. The institution promotes various sports like badminton, cricket, football, basketball, and swimming. Fee structure. The approximate fees for UG students per semester is Rs 1.84 lakhs. This is similar to the other institutions on our list. Please note that the fee structure mentioned is subject to variation. Approximately, one pays around Rs 14.73 lakhs as an overall fee. The median salary package offered to place students is 6.3 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your fee amount in less than 3 years after graduation. So there you have it. That's all you need to know about the Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology. We've come to the end of the video. Now it's time to analyze where Thapar has performed well and where this institution needs to show some improvement. It has good graduation and placements, well-experienced faculty members with a good faculty-to-student ratio, a great learning environment. The research area of the institution lags behind, however, and needs to show some improvement. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.